you can replace your wallet with your Samsung device by Samsung Pay. How? I will tell you in this video. Hello, what's up guys? In today's video I want to tell you how is your Samsung device or the Samsung device can replace your wallet. As you know guys, with Samsung Pay, Apple Pay, Android Pay, you can just pay whatever in the market or the shops. But basically on Samsung Pay it's different because it's not about paying only. No, there is some offers, some cards, gift cards, and membership and rewards. How? I will tell you all of this in this video. So first, everyone who have Samsung device, I recommend it for him to use Samsung Pay because Samsung Pay is better than Apple Pay or Android Pay because Samsung use a different technique by magnetic, not by NFC only. So if the cashier tell you this is only Apple Pay or there is no Apple Pay or any different applications like Apple Pay supported in this cashier, with Samsung it's supported if they have something with tap, even if Apple Pay is not supported. So by that, every cashier has Apple Pay, that means Samsung Pay is supported. And every cashier doesn't have Apple Pay, also Samsung Pay is supported because it works because they use a different technique. So first, you don't need to worry about your device. The place with you when you can swipe your card, you can use your Samsung device and tap on that place, not in the middle. It's depend on the devices. If they say the tab is here, the logo, you can put it here. If you didn't find any logo, just the place when you swipe your card, you can put your phone. So let me tell you something. If I go to pay, here I have my card, my Visa card. This is Costco membership, and this is Vons. So your Samsung Pay can replace all your cards. This is my Vons card. I don't need anymore. This is the tab for Metro. There is an option to use the tab option. I'm not sure about what I'm saying, but I think it's as what I said. What is it? Transit payment card. I think this is the same as tab card for Metro, for example. I know no anybody has used this card, but it's available. So again, I can get rid of my Costco card. Also, of course, my Visa card, because everything is in my Samsung device. Also, every time when I go to use my Samsung Pay of any shop in the market, they give me some extra rewards points. Now I have 2,552. That means how I can use of my points if I go to Samsung app or Samsung shop, and if I want to buy a case, for example, it's 10 case, buy something expensive like the one, like the leather cover, buy now. Samsung know that I have, oh hey, focus, come on. Oh, come on. Okay. Samsung, no, I have 2,852 points and will make a discount for $12.5. So now the case is cost $37.49. So from what? From 50, I guess it's 50. I think it's from $50 to what? There is a discount. I didn't remember what's the number, but yeah, it works. They give me 12 point something dollar discount by the points because just I use Samsung, so there is no any fee when you use Samsung Pay, which is amazing and very useful. Also, there is a cashback. Actually, I'm not sure about how I get the points or what is the formula to get the what's happened to the focus. Autofocus. Okay. There is a cashback here as you see guys, from different markets, different brands. How it works, I'm not sure. Is it means 16% when I go to buy from this market, they will give. Oh guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram account. This is my account, and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification. Welcome back again. So again guys, as I said, this is very useful. I'm recording this video because it's really useful. give me some points. There is a cashback. I don't know how it works actually, but there is some benefits, of course. So just use Samsung Pay. There is hundreds of membership cards, but as you know guys, for me, I just go to Vons or Casco or Walmart, and I can use my phone to buy from Walmart, from Burger King, from to get my daily coffee from anywhere. You will get a points from anywhere, which amazing. If someone know how it works, 16% cashback, tell me in the comments below. So this is what I have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you next video. And again, use Samsung Pay if you have a Samsung device. It's useful and you can get rid of your wallet. Thank you guys.